Hey guys, Sandy here, and I have just realized that I've not shared with you my Kill a Kit video for July, which was my Christmas in July kit. So I have my stack of layouts here. What I'm going to do first is show you what I have left in my kit. I killed it in a big way, at least in my opinion, so let's see. Used every single one of the stickers out of that pack. Used every single one of my wood veneer from Basic Gray. Kind of forgot about this Christmas tree ribbon, kind of rolled under the desk and I didn't realize it. And just when I was gathering my layouts for this video is when I realized I still had it. So oopsie daisy. Still have a couple stickers on there. Still have obviously my stamp and die, and I did use this on a couple pages, so I'm feeling good about that. Some stickers, look, completed sticker sheet. Still some on this guy, still some on that guy, still some on that guy. Used, I would say about half of the black Tim Holtz rub-ons, none of the white ones. Still have a stack of pictures to get through. For these, I have some candy canes, the number 25, and some random stars. So used a bunch of those. This sticker sheet, I have 3 stickers left. This wreath, mittens, and the plaid. These sticker sheets, busted through a whole bunch more of these. These are almost done. I mean, so close, so close. Now for papers, I have 1 full sheet still. And this is because I want a large photo of our Christmas tree in an 8x10 on this sheet of paper. And I just didn't get my photograph enlarged in time. I have a good size sheet of this, 4x6 of that, some offcuts of these other papers, and then 1 6x6 sheet that I did not touch. And then my die cuts and such things. Like this thing was pretty full. And it's just like the random little bits that are left. So I'm feeling pretty good about this. I'm totally okay that I didn't go through every single one of these Christmas supplies because hello, it's Christmas. I'm always gonna have Christmas to do. So I don't mind at all. These, though, I'm going to throw in the trash since we got through those. And since I still have this stack of photos, I'll be able to use up some more of this stuff and take some out of, you know, my stash, which is over there, which is why my hand just went whoop. Okay. So here is a layout. This is a big red heart doily, not a creature was stirring, not even Alex. Because if you can see, our son fell asleep in front of the fireplace and then we came down and put all the Christmas presents down under the tree on late Christmas Eve, early Christmas morning, even though he was right there. So that one. We also have this layout. It's of me and my husband. I got a selfie stick for Christmas, so we're just messing with that. This was that pre-made sheet. I cut out the banner. Then we have this. This is at the TSO concert. Lots of layouts for that. Popped some things up. Gave it a little bit of dimension. Then we have this, which is of the stockings. And this background paper, I put some rub-ons on it, some rhinestones, some splatter, just to kind of bring some darkness to the background. The rub-ons here, just try to make that black pop a little bit. Then we have this one, like I think this was a theme. Alex asleep on the ground. This was from a cut apart sheet. This is that stamp set and die set on some glitter stock. Then we have this one right here. This is Chamel paper and Tim Holtz paper. This is one of the die cuts, and I just embossed it to give it that look. And we have this guy. This is the Christmas pajama photo. Here we have a pocket page. This is a wood veneer that I heat embossed on the front and the back. And then, oops, made a sequin pocket there. And I'm missing a photo. It has fallen out somewhere. So this I have TSO. This is just chipboard that I white heat embossed with Joy. That's just a tag on some paper. Then we have this. This was for Stretch the Sketch. This is just to go here, kind of like extending there. Then you flip this over, and this kind of matches up here. And it's just more TSO photos. It says Christmas Carols. This is not quite December 25th. Again, Alex is sleeping on the sofa. Girls are hanging out on the love sack. They're watching some sort of Christmas something or another. This was a grid pattern. Then we have this one, again, playing with the selfie stick. This was a 6x8 page. That was some sort of simple stories. These doilies right here, I actually inked. These are white doilies that I had inked with some green ink. And then here is a double page, Cookies for Days. There is a process video for that on my page. Then we have this one, December 25th, Best Day Ever. And this is just like some clustering with bits. Then we have this 2-page layout. This is the TSO concert layout. Like I said, I have many of these pages. Then we have this one, which is Moment Captured. This was my, all the managers went to breakfast for my work. And that's it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to count this as 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 layouts with my Christmas in July Kill a Kit kit. So that was super exciting. I never did get around to filming my August one, but I am back for September, October, and November. So stay tuned for that, guys. If you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. You'll be able to get notified when I go live with my September Kill a Kit. All right, and sneak peek, kind of, I am going to be doing Scraptember, which is a layout a day in September. I did it last year in July, doing it in September this time. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye.